Right, let's see what Chaos Trafford's got for me today. Cameras rolling, swear down it's like wacky races out here. Cruising through Trafford, just doing me bit. Then a Vauxhall Astra swerves in, what a tit. No signal, mate, thought that was the rule. But you're drifting through lanes like it's bloody cool. Over near the Trafford Centre, it's all a mess. On symphony playing, stress on stress. Taxi on the roundabout, barge right through, hazards flashing. Yeah, but I've clocked you. Trafford drivers, it's a proper sight. Brake check and lane split and pure daylight fright. From Urmston to Davy home, they're all on one. Driving like the purge has already begun. From Stratford to Paddington, no one gives way. Caught the whole thing, cheers, by the way. Oh, Trafford drivers, it's a bumpy ride, but it's content gold, so I'm riding with pride. At the lights near Old Trafford, foot on the brake, then a white van blast past for Greg's out steak. Tailgating the M60 in full F1 mode. Hope your chips were worth that episode. Down White